All right, so we've got a math problem here, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. It's all about finding the sum of two mixed number. What is the value of 6 whole 3 over 5 and 3 whole 2 over 3? Now pay close attention. We're going to solve this together. To find the sum of 6 whole 3 over 5 and 3 whole 2 over 3, we first convert these mixed numbers into improper fractions. Here's how it's done. Remember, when you convert a mixed number into an improper fraction, multiply the whole number by the denominator of the fraction and add the numerator. Result is your new numerator. Denominator never changes, so write as is. Convert 6 whole 3/5 first. 6 times 5 is 30, and adding 3 equals 33. Write 33 as a numerator, and keep your denominator the same as 5. Now let's convert 3 whole 2/3, 3 times 3 is 9, and adding 2 got 11. Write 11 as a numerator, and keep your denominator the same as 3. Now add the two improper fractions, 33 over 5 and 11 over 3. Wait, we can't add fractions with different denominators. So let's find the common denominator for both fractions. To do this, we need to find the least common multiple of 5 and 3, which is 15. For 33 over 5, multiply both numerator and denominator by 3, since 15, 5, 3. So we have 99 over 15. For 11 over 3, multiply both numerator and denominator by 5, since 15, 3, 5, and we got 55 over 15. Now we can add the fractions with the same denominator. 99 over 15 plus 55 over 15 is 154 over 15. Then we need to convert the result back to a mixed number. Divide 154 by 15 is 10 with a remainder of 4. So the result is 10 whole 4 over 15. Now let us recap to find the sum of two mixed numbers. First, convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. Then find the common denominator and then add the fractions. And finally, convert the result back to a mixed number. Great job. You did it.